Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Millionaire from Scratch. It's Paul Wayne, and in this video we are going to talk about pump and dumps. I'm not teaching you about pump and dumps, alright? I'm just going to talk about my experience with pump and dumps in the crypto and if they are bad. Alright, let's start. First, we will take a quick look to the market cap to see what's going on here. As you can see now, Bitcoin has a healthy correction. Again, a healthy correction. Don't panic and don't sell. Again, I'm not giving you financial advice here. Nothing that I see is financial advice. These are just my own opinions, and I'm just a monkey on YouTube talking about crypto and trying to make money. But this monkey says that you shouldn't sell because it's a healthy correction. It peaked right here and now it is correcting. The price will go up again anyway. Alright, so don't panic. Don't panic sell. Don't involve emotions into this. Alright, this is the best advice. As you can see here, ADA, my baby, is going down. $1.04. Damn. No problem. You still got this. Alright, let's get back to pump and dumps. So let me show you an example. Yes, the Juventus fan token. I'm going to show a pump and dump here. Alright, as you can see here happened a pump and dump. So this was the initial price, the pump skyrocketed the price. So the initial price was $8, then the final price was $27, close to $27, and then it dumped. Alright, you might think, oh, how can I get into one of these groups to make some quick money? I can get something like 4x returns, 5x returns. No, this is not going to happen. Right? What is going to happen is that you will be just a pawn on a chessboard, and the owner of the group, the owner of the chessboard, is going to make the money. Because the owner, I don't know if I can zoom in. Hold on. Alright, so the owner bought here. As you can see, it was a small spike. So the owner bought here, or even earlier. Then he announced the coin on the group. It went all the way up. The owner dumped. Let's try to get a closer look. Hold on. Can I do this? Oh, I actually can. Nice. So let's go like this. Come on. Alright, so the owner bought here. Then he dumped. As you can see, the price dropped. And again. And again. The thing is, when you join a group like, I don't want to give names because one of my crypto channels got closed because I gave names. So let's say a popular pump and dump group, alright, Wall Street Boys, they are pumping and dumping different coins, which is not something that we can talk about without getting into trouble, if you think about it. Also, it peaked at $36, damn. 5x return. Anyway, this is not exactly okay. It's the way how some people can make money, not the way I recommend you to make money, because you are not actually learning how to trade, you are not actually investing, you're just gambling. So this is gambling, it's not investing, it's not trading, it's not making money in a way that you can be proud of, let's say, because it's not something that you can put some time into, and it's all about luck and being the first one who bought. But as you can see, the owner bought here, or even earlier. The thing is, you shouldn't join pump and dump groups because you won't learn how to invest, you won't learn how to look for coins, and you'll just follow the orders of somebody else. And this thing, 5x returns, only the owners can make these returns. So I have to be honest with you. If you are just, let's say, a beginner in that group, a newbie, you won't make 5x returns. You can actually lose a lot of money. I joined in the past a pump and dump group, and I pumped when the owner told me. The price went up, but somebody dumped and the price went even lower than the price that I bought for, and I was lucky enough to sell before going lower. I only lost $20 at that trade, but the guys who kept the coin for longer lost even more, and it sucks. Right? It's not something that you can actively be involved into. It's not something that can assure that you will make money over time, and it's not something that will sharpen your skills. So pump and dumps are something bad. I'm telling you all of this because I just want to save you time and money, because I spent a lot of time thinking about strategy. How can I buy first? How can I dump faster? How can I just help the community to get more members and stuff like that? Don't do this, is useless, alright? We are attracting users on our exchanges, and we are just doing giveaways, and the guy who got the most invites, the most people on the server, is going to get $500, $200, $100 and stuff like that. Again, the owner will make most of the money, not you. You will get into this thinking like, I can make a ton of money, I should join now, I should pump as much money as possible. You're going to lose money. If you don't know the owner personally, you are going to lose money, and I'm honest with you. Again, these are just my opinions. I'm here for the lols, I'm here for the memes, not financial advice, but this is my opinion, and these are my 2 cents on pump and dump. I don't recommend anybody to do this. I'm not sure if it's legal. Let's Google it up. So although P and Ds are illegal in the stock market, there's little regulation on P and Ds, pump and dumps, in the cryptocurrency market. One reason for this is that most tokens are difficult to classify as investment or consumer products, so they don't clearly fall under existing securities or consumer protection laws. So it's not illegal, but in the stock market is illegal. I know for sure that pump and dump is something that Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street, the real Wolf of Wall Street, got into jail, and it sucks. Alright, so don't do pump and dumps just because you think that you'll make a quick buck. Maybe you'll make $1 or $2, maybe 5%, but not 5x returns like they promise in the fake testimonials or video tutorials, stuff like that. Just don't do pump and dumps. The only people in the pump and dump group that's going to make money is the owners and the friends of the owners. I'm not saying that the owner is a bad person for doing this, he just wants to make money. And this is legal in crypto, as you can see here, which is totally fine. But again, by telling you that you'll make 5x returns, 2x returns, it's basically lying to you, because you can't make these returns without being friends with the owner, and the owner telling you that, yo, buy Juventus coin, Juventus fan token, it will go to the roof. You don't know, and you also have to be prepared to sell on this peak. If you want to join this 0 to 1 million challenge in crypto with me, make sure that you smash the like button, the subscribe button, and also check these 2 videos on the screen because they are really helpful. Remember, patience is the key. I'm Paul Wayne, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.